Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can change the vehicle that you are riding on the MX vs ATV Legends game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the MX vs ATV Legends game on your device, and once you open it up, you will directly enter the free roam mode. From here, just pause the game and you will gain access to the main menu. Now in order to change the vehicle that you are riding, just scroll down and enter the garage menu. You will now see all of the vehicles that you have owned. You can check out the stats underneath and make your selection by pressing enter or the A button on your joystick. After making your selection, you can go back and resume your free roam mode with your newly chosen vehicle. And if at any point you wish to change your vehicle once again, you can go back into your garage at any time and then switch your vehicle right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your vehicle on the MX vs ATV Legends game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.